Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to cook cassava, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to show you the simplest way of cooking cassava, my own way. So let's get to cooking. So we are going to start by peeling the cassava and cut it into pieces. As you can see, the cassava is too hard. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. As I told you before that I'm going to cook this cassava the simplest way. So right now I've finished cutting the cassava. So you're going to add everything in a sufuria. That is the cassava, the coconut milk, bell pepper and onion, and also salt. So we're going to add everything, then cook it for about 20 minutes until the first coconut milk has dried. Then we're going to add another coconut milk, but right now I'm going to show you on how I add everything up.